Hey, what's up? So in Roblox, I was like, the Sierpinski Triangle seems like a fun project, and I was like, yeah, I'll code that real quick. So I went to the Wikipedia. This is what the Sierpinski Triangle looks like, and I saw a video on Instagram, and it's sort of interesting. So I was like, yeah, I can do that. So basically, how it works is right. You need to have an equilateral triangle. Close enough. So each angle will be 60. So 60 and then 60, right? Equilateral, same size, everything. So you're gonna pick a random point in the middle, or wherever, right? Pick a random side. So we'll go to this one, and then you're gonna draw to that, and right in the middle, you're going to want to put a dot, and then choose a random side. So we'll go to the top, right? Close enough. And then right there. And if you do that over and over again, eventually you'll get this fractal, right? I was like, yeah, that's easy enough to do. So I went here, and then I was like, I got that. So what I did was I just started with the position, set the length. So this gets the length. Made it to where I got the degrees, and then some math to make sure everything was equal, right? And then I would just put a corner at those, and then name it, and then I made a connect function. I did the connect function at first with the linear Bezier formula, but it wasn't working because although technically it could have fit because it was the same length on each side, because they're getting overlaid, it wasn't. So I found the magnitude function, which I didn't know about. And then you connect them, and then the Sierpinski triangle. Basically what I'm doing is I'm selecting somewhere between 1 and 3, and then just using an if else, and then just selecting it, and then current position is current position plus target minus current position times 0.5. So it's pretty simple. So if you hop on, and my game's sort of slow, I just booted it up. Basically, you can see it right there. It's running off of parts, so it's super unoptimized. But that's the Sierpinski triangle, and you can change the size, whatever you want, really. So I can make it super big if I wanted to. We'll go 100. Why not? So it's way bigger now, and it's cool. So I was like, that's easy. So oh, wrong thing. What the hell? Okay, there we go. So 80. Now then I'm like, alright, that'd be easy enough to do in 3D, right? So I made the 3D script. It's basically just using the same stuff, except I'm just adding a little bit more to like the base. So I just set 4 corners, and then I just added up all the positions and divided by 4 to get the top, and then added length. Basically I'm just using the same functions, just a little bit added to them. So then you can hop on, and this is what it looks like as 3D. So you can see, but because I'm using parts, I don't know the best way to go about it. It looks decent from afar, but it was a fun project. If you want to see the code, it's on my GitHub. It'll be linked in the description. So basically I just have things up in here, and then just, yeah. So that's the Sierpinski triangle in Roblox.